One of the questions that I get asked the most is how I edit my photos for Instagram stories. I thought the easiest way to show you guys would be to just create a video and walk through the steps. First, I'll cull through all of the photos that I've taken and favorite them, so then I can just import them easily into an editing app. When it comes to Instagram stories, I don't like to spend a lot of time editing as I would for a regular in-feed post. So I love using VSCO Cam for their built-in filters. It just makes the process a lot easier and quicker, and I'm able to post as close to real time as possible. Now that I've imported my photos, I'll go ahead and show you how I edit a few of these. The first thing that I do is I'll apply one of the built-in VSCO filters. They have so many different options, but one of my favorites at the moment is J2. Then I'll go and adjust the brightness. This one I wanted a little bit brighter. And for contrast, I always love to take down the contrast. It makes it a little bit more dreamy in my opinion. So I'll do that. I'll always sharpen it just a little bit, not too much to where it looks fake and overly done. And then I will go ahead for this one. It's skewing a little bit blue, so I'll add the temperature, just increase it up a notch so that it reads a little bit more warm. I'll go in and play around with the vignette just because it makes it a little bit more moody, and then also turn up the grain a bit just to give it some texture. Let's go ahead and edit another photo. I pretty much do the exact same thing, more or less, except I'll adjust the levels differently. I'll always play with the filter, exposure, contrast, sharpen the image. I may or may not adjust the temperature, increase the vignette, and then add some grain to the image. VSCO allows you to copy your edits and apply them to multiple images at once. I like to do this with images that have similar lighting and tones instead of having to go in one by one and editing them individually. I may still go in afterwards and just tweak them slightly to my liking if they look a little bit off, but it really saves me a lot of time. Now that we have a few photos edited, I will either just upload these straight to Instagram stories, or if I'm feeling a little bit extra, I'll open my Unfold app and play around with some templates before posting them to stories. The great thing about Unfold is that there are so many different templates to help you build your stories and really give it that elevated editorial look. And it makes it so easy for you to add text and change background colors and just really make it your own, whatever your aesthetic or style is. And I think my best piece of advice for Unfold is to really just play around with it and get familiar with it and have fun and really make it your own.